How to integrate Pipedrive with Microsoft Outlook. So, in this video, I'll show you how to integrate Pipedrive with Microsoft Outlook. So, to get started, go ahead and open Pipedrive into your preferred browser, sign into your account, and then click on the three-dot icon at the left side of your screen, and then under this, select Marketplace. Now, on the Marketplace page, go ahead and search for Microsoft Outlook. So you'll find here all of the applications you can connect to your Pipedrive account. So on the results, you need to go ahead and click on this Pipedrive for Outlook and then click on Authorize from this section. So that will take you into a new page. There you'll be able to find the steps that you need to undergo to be able to connect your Pipedrive with your Outlook account. So in here, go ahead and select the way you want to connect Pipedrive to Outlook. So I'll choose proceed with installation for Outlook on the web. And then you'll be able to find the instructions that you need to do. So if you're going to integrate Pipedrive to Outlook on your Windows device on your web, you need to go ahead and open Microsoft Outlook into a new tab. So in here, search for Microsoft Outlook and then sign in to your Microsoft Outlook account. Now, once you're signed in to your account, that will take you into your inbox section. So in here, go ahead and click on a message. Click on this app button at the top right of that message and then click on this get add-ins. And then from here, go ahead and search for Pipedrive for Outlook. And then from here, click on add and then this will pop on your screen. So that is how you can simply add Pipedrive to Outlook. So as you can see, the Pipedrive icon will be pinned on your Outlook inbox. And that is how you can basically integrate Pipedrive with Outlook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.